Guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again. I'm back again with this week's CVS haul. There are still some good deals that you can be able to find this week at CVS. It's not as good as it was last week, but I'm sure we can be able to find some good deals. So let's go see what I will be able to find. The first transaction I'll be doing will be on the Grove Ultimate Dish Soap. It's on regular price at $5.79 at my store. So if you have percentage of CRT, this will be a good item to use it on. I don't have any coupon for this, so I'll be paying this with my extra care box. Both of them will come up to $11.58. I will pay that with my extra care box, and I'll submit my receipt to Swagbucks, and I'll get back 900 Swagbucks, which is equivalent to $9. I will also submit my receipt to Shopkick, and I'll get back 400 cakes, which is almost $1.60. Then the third app I will be submitting this receipt to will be Checkout 51, and I'll get back $1.25 on each one of them, making it $2.50. After I receive all my rebates, both items will end up being free and a $1.52 moneymaker. Let me go check out and I'll show you my receipt. I'm back with my receipt. You can see the two items I picked up. I used $12 extra care box. I added a filler item, that way I don't lose anything from my extra care box. For my next transaction, I'll be using the 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT I received in my email, and I'll be doing 2 deals with this transaction. The first deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the spend 30, you get $10 back, and this is a limit of 1. So I'll be picking up 2 of the Cottonelle 9 mega roll on sale for $10.49. And to get to 30, I'll pick up one of the Viva paper towel, the 6 roll, priced at $10.49 as well. 3 of them will total me $31.47. I don't have any paper coupon or digital coupon for this, but you can go on their website and see if you can print out any paper coupon. With these 3, if I'm doing it by itself, I will pay the $31.47 and I'll get back $10, making all 3 items $21.47 or $7.16 each. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Shake. It's on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you spend $15, you get $5 back. I'll be picking up 2 of the men's, and I'll be using 2 $4 digital coupon I have. I got one last week and I also received one this week. When the $8 come off, if I'm doing this by itself, I will pay just $6.99 and I'll get $5 back, making both items $1.99 or 99 cents each. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction. They spend 30, get $10 back, and also spend 15, get $5 back. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and everything worked out fine. All the coupons came off as expected, both digital coupon and also the 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT. I ended up using $30 extra care box, paid 45 cents out of pocket, and I got back my $10 for the spend 30, and I also got back $5 for the spend 15. This whole transaction ended up being just $15.45 or $3.09 each. The next deal I'll be picking up will be on the Garnier Fruities. It's on buy 2, get $3 back. I'll pick up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioner. Both of them are priced at $4.49 each. That means 2 of them will be $8.98. I will use this 3 off of 2 paper coupon I got from coupons.com. And we have another 3 off of 2 in our app that will double dip and take off 6, leaving me to pay just $2.98. And I'll get $3 back, making both items free and a 2 cents moneymaker. I also received a 4 off of 40 next purchase CRT last week that I saved that I'll be using with this transaction. Let me go pick up more items to be able to get to 40. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the spend 20, you get $10 back on Eucerin or Aquaphor. And I'll pick up the Eucerin Intensive Repair, priced at $7.29. That's the 5 ounces. And I'll pick up 2 of the Aquaphor ointment, priced at $6.79. All 3 items will come up to $20.87, which is above the spend 20, so I'm good. I'll be using $3 coupon for each one of them, These coupons are from the 129 savings set and they expired on the 225. But today we all received a $2 coupon in our app. And also today's savings set, there is another $2 coupon for the use ring in case you want to use that. When all three coupons come off, if I'm doing this by itself, I'll end up paying $11.87 and I'll get back $10, making all three items just $1.87 or 62 cents each. CoverGirl is on the tier deal this week, so it's either you buy 2 get 4 or you buy 3 get 7. This does not track, you have to do it in one single transaction. So what I'll be doing is picking up 2 of the brow pencils, priced at $5.79 each. Both of them will come up to $11.58. And I'll be using a $3 coupon we got in our 2-5 savings set. But today's insert, there is another $3 there that you can also use. Or you can go to coupons.com and print out $2, whichever one that works for you. And the $4 mystery CRT we got last week, I'll be adding it also to this. And that will leave me to pay $1.58 and I'll get back 4, making both items free and a $2.42 money maker. These are all the items I'll be picking up with the 4 off of 40 next purchase CRT. So let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt. Everything came off as expected. All my coupons applied. The Garnier Fruities double dipped and took off the extra $3. My $4 from the instant CRT of last week also came off as well. And the 4 off of 40 next purchase CRT. I ended up using $12 extra care box, paid 43 cents out of pocket, and I got back $3 for the Garnier Fruities, got back $4 for buying 2 of the CoverGirl, and also got back $10 for the spend 20 get $10 back. This whole transaction ended up being free and a $4.57 money maker. And at the end of this receipt, I received another 4 off of 40 next purchase CRT. Instead of waiting for next week, I'm going to use it this week. Using the new 4 off of 40 next purchase CRT I just got, I'll be doing the Boost deal. It's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. I'll pick up 2 of the Boost Original. One will be $10.99 and the second one will be $5.50. And I have this 5 off of 2 Boost coupon we got in our 1-1 savings set. And we also received another 4 off of 2 in our app. I actually have 2 of those, but I only clipped 1. That will be double dipping with this 5 off of 2 and take off $9. If you don't have any paper coupon, both of them will double dip and take off 8. But since mine is 9, and if I'm doing this by itself, I will end up paying just $6.99 and I'll get back 4, making both items $2.99 or $1.50 each. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Dove deal. It's on sale for 2 for $14, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. I'll pick up 1 of the women and also pick up 1 of the men. You can pick the same or you can mix, so I decided to pick 1 women and 1 man. Then I'll be using a BOGO coupon from 219 savings sets. The max value in this will be $6.99. By itself, after the $6.99 come off, I will end up paying just $7.01 and I'll get the $2 back, making both items just $5.01 or $2.50 each. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Head and Shoulder. It's on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. I'll be picking up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, and I'll be using a 3 off of 2 coupon I got from P&G website. We all have another 3 off of 2 in our app that will double dip and take off 6. Both items came up to $12.09. When the $6 come off, I will end up paying $6.09 and I'll get $4 back. Also check your Ibotta because I have a 50 cents back on each one of them. After the rebate, it will end up being just $1.09 or 55 cents each. This is the next 4 off of 40 next purchase CRT I just received, and these are all the items I'll be picking up with that purchase CRT. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and everything worked out very well. All the coupons, all the CRTs came off as well. The BOGO coupon actually came off, but you can't do this at self-checkout because the cashier has to help you out and put in the $6.99. I ended up using just $16 extra care box, paid 63 cents out of pocket, and I got back my $2 for buying the Dove, and got back $4 for doing the Head and Shoulder, and another $4 for buying 2 of the Boost. This whole transaction ended up being just $5.63 or 94 cents each. And this concludes my haul for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye.